What was that? Was that a cat stretch? Are you purring? Do you really think you're a cat? That's not a scratch post, that's Meg's leg.
Don't stop!
Hey, Brian, you want to come up? Come on up. Come on up, come on. Right here. Jump up. Just jump up. I know you want to come up here. Jump the hell up here, you dope. I demand that you jump up here and be a companion. Be a companion!
Mommy?
Ow!
Maybe open that face. Ah, my eye!
Another bottle?
You're the only one.
Ow! My eye! Another bottle?
That's me.
Ow! You dick! Ow!
Meow. I think you're dreaming.
No, I'm not.